Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Henry. In this video, I'm going to share everything you need to know about Prostadine before you consider buying it. Plus, I have some important warnings, so make sure you stick around until the end to avoid wasting your money. First off, be careful about where you purchase Prostadine, as it's only available on the official website. To make it easier, I've linked the official website in the description below and pinned it in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen to give you my honest review and share my experience to help you decide if Prostadine is right for you. What is Prostadine? Prostadine is a carefully crafted blend of natural ingredients chosen to support prostate health and improve urinary function. It provides a safe, effective option for men looking to maintain prostate health as they age. How does Prostadine work? Prostadine works by addressing the root causes of prostate issues, especially by helping to clear toxic mineral buildup that can affect prostate health. It also supports overall urinary tract and bladder health, contributing to better kidney function and reducing symptoms like frequent urination. Conclusion. In summary, Prostadine offers a natural, well-researched solution for prostate health. With its unique formulation, it not only addresses existing prostate concerns but also supports urinary and kidney health, making it a valuable addition to men's wellness.